Welcome to FiboWaves by Prem Anand sir. This is our institute where we teach trading based on Fibonacci and other methods. So we'll start our weekly stock selection, which is for the next week, starting from tomorrow, 16 September. We have a list of 10 stocks, swing stocks that we are looking for. The first is Bajaj Finserv. The second one is Blue Star. Third is Cartrade, IOLCP, JSW Energy, JSW Steel, Kesoram Industries, Max Financial, MFSL, Oberoi Realty, PTC India, PVR Inox, and Scaflor. So let's take a look at the analysis which we have done for these stocks and the levels. I'll share that in the next slide. Our first stock is Bajaj Finserv. We are looking at an all-time high breakout entry here. If it sustains above 1931, we'll go long. Our targets are 2018, 2100, 2220, and 2375. We normally advise people to kind of book at the first, second, third levels. Keep booking part profits, so you can get your money home. Ideally, people wait for the full target and then they don't take any money home. So we always advise, if you buy, say, for example, 100 stocks, you can book 25 year, 25 year, 25 or 50 year, or however you can choose. But keep booking part profits at every level in the swing. Our stop loss level over here will be 1862. This is looking like a very promising stock. Another stock that we are looking for a breakout entry is Blue Star. Run up quite a lot. However, it's still got some steam left. If it sustains above the 1900 level, we can surely see levels of 1980, 2080, 2200, 23, 25. So we are looking at these targets here. Our stop loss will be 1800. So please respect the stop loss if you take an entry. Our third stock is Cartrade. Cartrade, we are looking for a breakout entry above 1017. If it sustains above 1017, it surely hit. This is actually 1150. It's a typing error. First level will be 1100. Sorry, it's 1100. It's 1100, 1180, 1275, 1400. Our stop loss will be 940 here. So this is also looking like a good stock, which can. This is like a rounding pattern here. It can be expected to complete the full circle here. The trend is pretty positive in this stock. This is one more breakout stock, which we are looking at is IOLCP. If it sustains above 535, we can go long. The targets will be 575, 600, 670, and 715. Our stop loss will be 495, which is like a reasonable stop loss. So if we get a stop loss, please respect it. JSW Energy is the fifth stock that we are looking at. If it sustains about 776, we'll go for an entry. Our targets will be 800, 840, 880, and 932. Our stop loss is 735. Another stock that we're looking at is JSW Steel. The metals sector is looking pretty good right now. If we get an entry above 9...
I think you are going a little fast.
Oh, sorry. I'll go slow. Okay, sorry. You want me to restart from somewhere?
I think after Cartrade, that IOLCP.
Okay, I'll restart. No problem. Thank you. I'll go slow. Thanks. Okay, IOLCP, we are looking for a breakout entry above 535. If it sustains above this, if the candle closes above this on a daily time frame, we can go long. Our targets will be 575, 600, 670, 715. Our stop loss is 495. Again, this is also looking like a good pattern to do a rounding circle here, but again, we'll have to play level by level. We can't assume that it's going to go here. We'll always trade it as per its movement. But right now, it's looking good. This is at an all-time high. So again, the momentum might continue in this. So we are looking for a breakout entry above. This is JSW Energy, breakout entry above 776. Our targets will be 800, 840, 880, 932. Our stop loss is 735. This is again a all-time high stock, JSW Steel. We're looking for an entry about, if it sustains about 973, you can go long. We're looking for targets of 1020, 1060, 1100, 1150, 1200. Our stop loss will be 900. Another stock that we are looking at is Kesoram Industries. This is also on the verge of a breakout from the all-time high levels. So we are looking at an entry about 223. For a target, first target will be 235, 245, 268, 280, and 300. Our stop loss in this stock is 204. This is also a breakout stock. It's forming like a rounding bottom pattern here. All-time high breakout again. So we are looking at an entry only above 1190. Right now it's trading around 1140. This is Max Financial, MFSL. Our targets above 1190 will be 1268, 1300, 1350, and 1400. Our stop loss in the stocks will be 1100. This is Oberoi Realty. We are looking for an entry above 827, 1827. It's like a nice double bottom pattern here. We're looking for an entry above 1827. Our first target will be 1886, 1924. Second target 1960, 2050, and 2130. Stop loss here will be 1719. This got a strong breakout on Friday. So we are looking for an entry above 240. This is PTC India. We can go long about 240 if it sustains above this level. Our targets will be 254, 270, 290, 320. Our stop loss in this stock is 225. PVR Inox, again a good recovery after a massive fall earlier. Again a rounding bottom pattern. We'll have an entry about 1660. We've already given this in the guest group. Still, we are again giving the levels here. You can play these levels. Entry will be about 1660, 1720, 1800, 1875, 1910, and 2050. Our stop loss here will be 50 rupees. That is 1610. Our last stock here is Stafler. You can go for an entry above 4,000. Our first target will be 4270, 4500, 4740. Last target will be 4900. Our stop loss here will be 3750. So these are the 12 stocks that we are looking at from the swing perspective. You can note down these stocks. I'll share the list in the chat box so that you can even make a note.
By the way, thanks a lot, KU. So,
Yeah.
so guys, if you see all the stocks that KU have shared today, is all the rounding patterns. Only a couple of things are not a rounding pattern. It's really, but all the things are rounding patterns. It's like cup and handle. It's like W pattern or something. Wherever you see a pattern which is very strong, right? The breakout also will be very strong. So concentrate on all the stocks that which we are given today. Follow the rules buy above. Okay, don't follow unnecessarily just getting into the stocks and getting beaten up. Okay, this is like we filtered up in such a great thing that those stocks will be a potential candidate for the next week. When you see those candidates are been coming up, please trade on that. You can get more profit to it. And so I can say that we are doing an analysis, but it's all wish. It's your trade risk that you need to put and your money that you are going to invest, right? So it's all your risk and it's all your things. And we can only guide you on which other stocks are getting into a technical kind of a phase. Okay. We just show you the stocks. It's all your decision to take or not to take. Okay. So that's an disclaimer which I want to say that these stocks are all which we picked up for us. For you, you need to choose your own thing with your own analysis and go ahead and do the trading. Okay. So any doubts that you have, anything that you really want to ask us, you can ask me. Okay. No questions. Anything that you want to ask, you can ask me. Okay.
You want to discuss any stocks or any problem you have while trading, you can discuss. We can, to share ideas, we can openly come out for a solution.
Sir, can you check Linde India once? Like, is it good for swing?
Yeah. Linde India, yeah. Linde India was, in fact, I had given it around 7,700. It was really good for swing, but still, it can go up. Safe entry now would be about 8,531.
Okay, sir, and it can reach 9,000, right? 9,500.
Yeah. Targets are 9,000, 10,000, and long-term targets are around 12 to 15,000.
Okay,
These
sir.
targets we can expect because this is a monopoly business. It
Okay.
makes some industrial gases. It's a very, it's risen up a lot. In fact, if you can see the chart, it's risen up non-stop. We had given it in our group around 5,000 rupees and people have traded it till 10,000. We've given it multiple times, 5,000, 5,500. Then again, many times we have traded this. So I think it's a good stock. It's a monopoly stock. You can go long about 8,531.
Okay, you check for Lloyd's Engineering.
Lloyd's above, we can go long above 80. Lloyd's are looking good. We can expect targets of 86, 93 and 100.
So once it costs 80, you can buy.
Yeah, above 80, it's looking good.
Don't buy before that. If you want to buy, you can buy here and then you can have a stop loss around 74. Will be your stop loss.
Okay, and if sustained means that if the candle on the daily time frame closes above this, only then we'll go long.
Yeah.
Also, the stop loss here will be 76. So please respect these aspects while investing.
If
We
it
should-
cross 80, then stop loss is 76. Okay. If you're taking it now, your stop loss will be 74. Okay.
Yes, Sanjay ji, we'll have the stock selection every week now. Any other stocks? You can ask all your portfolio stocks also.
Sir,
we can also-
SBI card.
SBI card is very good.
SBI card is a verge of, I already told you, it's a verge of a breakout at 775. I posted it in the group. It's a very good stock. And 775 above should be heading towards 1,000 rupees. Okay.
This is a very good stock. You can go long in this.
You can go long. That's why I said you can go long and you can trade as much of things. You can also buy option calls of 800 call, 820 call, 840 call for next month. You can buy it and keep it. Okay, there is no, as long as it's staying above 775, you can still buy it. Okay, so because the structure it is forming is fantastic. Okay, and the breakout that happened was around 720 levels. It was awesome.
727, yeah.
Yeah, that was awesome move. Okay. And then from there it did not stop and I was expecting 775 and 775 it was 3 days it was staying there and then it broke up. And after that, it doesn't even come down to 770, 780 levels. It came near to 786 or 87, I think so. It's really good.
Yes.
You can have it for 1,000 for a target. Like 2 months down the line or 3 months down the line, we can see somewhere near 900 or even $1,000. Even in one day, it can go 40 points, 50 points in a day. So good stock to hold.
We are trading this from 727.
Yes.
Yeah, in the group. So this is
I
really a
also
good
gave
stock.
it,
We're looking for 1,000 minimum.
yeah, I also gave it like to everyone. The breakout is at 775. Put a very big bold letter so that people will trade on that. So because it's a major breakout that which you can see it in the chart. Like, so when you see that kind of a breakout is happening, you can just go ahead and take it. It's your analysis. It's our analysis. I said 775 is very big. It's your analysis that you need to do whether you need to buy or not.
Canara Bank also now it is in lower side 106.
Canara Bank. Okay.
138.
AB Capital, in the chat box we have been asked. So AB Capital, Osif ji has asked, we'll go long only about 230. If it sustains about 230, you can go long for targets of 240, 250, 260, and 283. His next one is KP Power, I think. Oh, this is like a penny kind of a stock. So please ignore this if you can. If you have it, tell us your buy price. We can guide you accordingly. But right now, we have better stocks available. Avoid this if you can. Canara Bank, right?
Above 115 only, brother. 150, 115, 116 levels, you can go long, but still, it's not that good to hold right now.
Not a very healthy chart. Go long only if it sustains about 11.15. If you have it on holding, then 95 should be your stop loss right now. Trail your stop loss because you always want to book profits home. GEL.
Asif, if you bought it 1927 right, for JP Power, right, can you open JP Power one more time, please?
Yeah.
Go to weekly time frame, please.
Weekly.
So the stop loss will be around 15 rupees. You can hold till 15 rupees. If it's falling below 15 rupees, don't hold it. 4 rupees, you can hold it. PSU banks ready to gear up. Okay.
12% loss from here. Hold it, yeah. Okay.
Let's
GAEL.
Avenger. May I know who this Avenger is? Can I have your name, please? Oh, Naveen. Okay. Great, Naveen. Why can't you change your name? No. You're saying
We can
that.
go long in GAEL about 150. If it goes above 150, it can go till 160, 170, 184.
Okay.
Stop loss here will be 138.
So Naveen is one of our student. Okay, so Naveen Bhaskar, you know that, right? Yeah, I think most of the people know Naveen. So Naveen is telling PSU can gear up. Look out for PSU banks also. So thanks for that, Naveen. So I'll tell the students to have that look also. Okay. So have a look on PSU banks also. Okay.
Yeah, that will open. I'll finish MOL first. MOL looks good only above. It's actually like a double top, triple top, yeah.
It's around the 350 level, 380 levels. It's good for buying. Okay, and it's a area of buying.
Accumulation area, yeah.
Yeah. So that's a area.
380 to 367.
Yeah, that area is a buying price for you. You can buy it around that area. So keep it there. Below that, don't hold it.
But if you want to be a safe entry, then go above 415 something.
Yeah.
Then it'll turn up.
because when you buy, see, there are difference between buying at the breakout, buying at the accumulation. Okay, when you're buying at the accumulation, right? Because it will keep on trying its level best in getting support from the particular area. So you get more number of rejection may happen, more number of times it will take for a stock to move. It's because when people have money, right, they buy it in bulk and then keep it, and after that when it goes up they yield money. But most of the technical analyst people, right, like us, right, what we do and technical, we usually go out for the breakout kind of a stocks, because we do our intraday. We rather open for 1 hour, trade 1 hour of trades. We don't even wait for 30 minutes of trades, right? So in that kind of a case, we have to look out for a trade like breakout kind of a stocks. So that will, if you are a swing trader, you need to accumulate stocks when it's in accumulation space. When you are intraday trader, you need to buy only at the breakouts. Okay, these are the difference that you need to have. Otherwise, it's a different ball game. Each and every person plays a different ball. Like defensive, one play defensively, one play aggressively. So it's your character, how kind of character that you have in you in working with stock market. Okay. So any other things?
Yeah, PL is there. PL somebody has asked.
Okay.
Debashish ji. PL, if you want a breakout entry, it is about 11:45. Otherwise, you can accumulate in around 1050 zone. Breakout entry here will be very strong. It can go till 1200, 1280, 1300 and 1400. So these levels you can play. Looking like right now a very good breakout stock. So we can look for this. Your stop loss, if you take a breakout entry, should be around 1080.
And by the way, Naveen, Bank of Baroda is already a breakout kind of a thing. It's already given it at
Whichever we missed.
in the live sessions that we conducted, right, on a daily basis. We do give live sessions on a daily basis where we been telling Bank of Baroda for a very long time. So weekly or daily, it's a very big move. It's coming up. Okay, do look out for Bank of Baroda. Okay, that's good for stocks. And then Bharati Airtel, I don't know, since 2 weeks we've been giving Bharati Airtel in our live sessions, and it's almost crossed to 150, 175 points, Bharati Airtel. Okay, so I don't think it has to, at least it has to consolidate somewhere. Okay, so let's have a consolidation phase somewhere. It's because it's been going crazy around 150 points from the low that we had. Okay, so that one is there. Asian Paints. I don't like Asian Paint, guys. I don't like Asian Paint at all. Whenever you say Asian Paint, I don't look it. It's a worst stock which I ever seen. Okay, when Nifty is going up, this will go down. This will go up, that will go down. Uh, and then if crude goes up, this sometimes goes up, sometimes it goes down. If crude goes down, this has to go up, but this also goes down sometimes. It's like confusing stock. Even though it doesn't follow the technical analysis pretty well, but still, it's a worst stock we consider. Anytime it can fall, anytime it can go up. So I don't recommend Asian Paint for anyone. I do. One of my friends is completely on Asian Paints, but I don't like Asian Paints at all. Whenever he comes and asks me, so Prem, what is the level for Asian Paint? I say, get out from here, please. Because that kind of a move that it's getting irritated sometimes. When you see move is not coming accurately, and then the move when you expect something and if it goes the other way around, it's not good. Okay, so avoid the Asian Paint, by the way. But anytime it can see 4 times it went up and then formed down. So not good. So Reliance is another one big headache that I really have. Reliance, like, sorry, Reliance is another headache kind of a script where it's not getting up or it's not heading downwards. Okay, so thought of talking. So Reliance, as long as it's not crossing 3,000 levels, please do not hold it, guys. Do not hold Reliance unless it is crossing 3,000. If you find at 290 levels, 980 levels, 990 levels, you can short. Okay, above 3,000, you can consider of buying Reliance. Do not even consider Reliance for next couple of days. Maybe around 19, 20 levels, you can find something me happening. But as long as Reliance is concerned, I'm not happy, which is not going good for Reliance. Though a 1+1 bonus is there, unless it's crossing 3,000, I'm not going to give a recommendation on that.
Titagar, somebody's asked. Titagar, you can go long only about 1465 or 1450. 1450 odd levels is good. It should not break 1310, otherwise it can go further down. 1450 is a good level to add above. It can go till 1500, 1560, 1700 and all-time high. It will go till here, like a rounding bottom pattern. But right now, we need 1450 as a crucial level to break out. And you check Lupin. Lupin has given a multi-year breakout. This is really a strong stock. But again, you'll have to play the levels. You can accumulate between 2150 and 2200. But the breakout entry, if you want, can only be about 2313, 2315. So above this, you can go long. But again, it's run up a lot. It can consolidate slightly and then again start its journey upwards. But the pharma sector is looking good. PSU bank sector, somebody has said that it's going to look good. Yeah, it's kind of oversold. This is like a very crucial level to hold. It's kind of bottomed out, but let's see. If it goes up, then you might trade all these PSU bank stocks. Tata Steel.
And by the way, someone is asking about Bajaj Finance. Okay, Bajaj Housing Finance. Okay, so Bajaj Housing Finance is, they gave an IPO price of 62 rupees, right? 62. If it opens at 120, also people will be buying. Okay, because the name is Bajaj. Okay, so that's a brand that they have. So whatever they put like Bajaj, they will definitely yield some money to it. So my gut feeling is, even though if it opens at 120 levels, it will give you an opportunity to enter at 100 and 110 levels, 108 levels, or even 102 levels. Once you get it 102 or 103, you can buy it again from the price. So if you're lucky and if something is really bad and happen, it may come down to 90 rupees. Okay, but as long as the Bajaj Housing Finance is concerned, it will open around 110 and 112, 112 or 113 levels, or even 120 levels, or even double that, 120% up, 120% up, or 100% up. So basically, I'm seeing somewhere around 120 levels. Okay. So once it hit 120 levels, people try to book it. The people will be trying to book it, and it will be booking around 112, 122, 1 I think 102 to 103 levels it will come. So due to that particular moment, you can get into it. If 102, 103, just get along with it. You can buy it and keep it.
All right.
Yeah. So don't think that. So it's very cheap stock. 62 rupees, 120 rupees is very cheap stock. Buy 100 shares and keep it here. Keep it for your children's. Okay. You will definitely get something out of it. Tata Steel, okay, steel sector, Tata Steel is concerned. If you see, it's on the it already took support at 145 levels, 145, 150, 46 levels. The support has been taken, and its oversold area has been covered completely. And then it's going up and it's crossing the RSI around 50 levels, which is positive. And 152 levels, it's a pure buy level for Tata Steel. So 140, 152, it may go up to 155 and 158 and 160 levels. So there are possibilities that it may give you a good returns on that. Okay, so but as per my indicator is concerned, it's looking very weak for it. It's me turned into weak kind of a mode, but still we need to see whether any possibility are there in Tata Steel. But as long as it is getting consolidated, it's at least for next 4 5 days, I don't think much movement will be coming. LIC Housing Finance is concerned, it's a worst stock, man. Again, it's a worst stock. Okay, because one day it'll be in the live. Next day it will be in ban period, and ban period will not be there for 1-2 days. It will be go for 4-5 days, and then if you buy in options, you will be the first get burst like anything. Okay, you don't even get your share to sell. Same thing with uh, Bandhan Bank. Okay, Bandhan Bank is verge of a breakout around 200 levels, 2025 levels. But any chance is coming, you don't need to buy it in options at all because you will not have an option to sell it. Okay, something like that. Any chance of granules free fall getting altered? It's still still in a time period. Sorry guys, please. So granules is still falling, and can you open granules here? Granules is still by it like granules will get somewhere around support around this area like 540 levels. You get 530 levels, you get some kind of a support. But I'm looking out for 470, 480 levels. So those are the levels which I be looking out for opportunity of getting into granules. Granules is a good stock, like in pharmaceutical sectors, it's a very good stock, right? So because of one inspection kind of a thing, it is falling. It's all happens, yeah. It's all happens in pharmaceuticals. Yeah. It happens at 20% down. The next day it will come like it's very strong, and then it will be going down. Because in ban period it's not moving. Surely you need to buy two places. One at 530 levels, you need to buy another one. You should be buying at 480 levels. So two levels you need to buy. One at 530 levels and one at 480 levels. When you buy at both the levels, you get kind of a consolidation kind of a view, and you get a better price in granules. So that you can hold it for your children's. No, that is very good stock to hold. Usually you get into ban period, yeah. Get in ban period. IDFC First Bank still it's downtrend, it's still on. It's not yet confirmed. Not yet confirmed in the upward move. Still on the downtrend. Still not.
70 should be your stop loss. If you have bought it 80, keep a stop loss at 70.
Still downtrend is intact. It'll go down. That's what I can see.
Yeah, right now it's looking very weak, but again, it will only be positive over 75, 80. But needs to
It'll only
cross that.
move. It'll only move 2 points, 3 points up, and then it'll fall down.
Yeah, but its downtrend is intact right now. As of now, the downtrend is intact. Reliance already said. Tata Steel 160.
So any other question, guys? Any other thing that you want to ask? Sorry? Sorry?
Moti Sons is looking good. You can accumulate around 248 levels, 240 levels.
No, why Motisan is coming up? Because PN Jewelry, right?
No, even TBZ has gone up non-stop. See TBZ. All-time high breakout because of the gold prices.
Yep.
So again, these are bound to retrace and consolidate for some time. So just wait for the accumulation zone because it's run up 50-60% in 1 month. Don't do fear of missing out in this. Just try to accumulate around 240, 245 areas and then ride the trend. Right now it's pretty extended. Tata Steel already said, LIC Housing said, IDFC First Bank. 70 the stop loss. Granules.
And more, Canfin Homes, right? Canfin Homes, breakout happened at 900 levels. Okay, so Canfin Homes opened around 908, right? That was a breakout area. So and then it went and hit 958 or 960 levels yesterday. So that was a good thing. Again, it has to break 958 levels and then it has to sustain. It should go up to 1000 levels. So it's a good stock to hold. I mean, if you want to hold it, buy it and hold.
This is looking like a strong breakout stock. If it goes, it can sustain above this. It will go to 1000, 1100, 1200.
Yes, it's a good stock. Okay. The final, I think we have been running a long time. So, any other last stocks that you want to watch or ask us?
You want to speak about the course, sir?
I think most of the students are our students only.
Okay.
Anyone outside of FiboWaves here? speak up, please. No, everyone are student only. Okay, take care. And thank you, Keyur, for conducting today. Thank you so much. And going
Welcome,
forward,
sir.
we'll be conducting session every day, every week. The stock session will be going on. Okay, I'm not going to stop it. Okay, chalo. Take care and bye bye.